Could you imagine your trusted office secretary could quietly pocket nearly $1 million? Yet that's exactly what happened here. So we're going to talk today about the jaw-dropping real story of Francine Fonger, how a longtime legal assistant betrayed her firm, stole over $830,000, and ended up serving federal prison time. Stick around to find out how it all unraveled and what red flags were missed along the way. So Francine Fonger, she was age 50, worked as a secretary and legal assistant for a retired partner at an Atlanta law firm over more than a decade, so around 1999 until December 2010. She was trusted to pay his bills and handle his bookkeeping. Slowly, she began redirecting his personal funds to herself and then paying her own creditors with the money. And it wasn't a one-time theft. It was a slow, steady embezzlement that grew into a massive fraud totaling $832,890.35. In August 2012, Fonger pleaded guilty to 1 count of mail fraud. By October, she was sentenced to 3 years and 1 month in federal prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release, in order to pay back $832,000 to the victim's estate. So how could such a huge theft go unnoticed for more than 10 years? And how many trusted employees might be quietly siphoning off money under the radar? This case underlines the danger of unchecked trust. When someone handles both bookkeeping and bill paying without oversight, it's easy to hide fraud. And it's a wake-up call for firms to implement checks and balances, even when someone seems completely trustworthy. So what were the red flags? Well, one person overseeing all financial tasks, the lack of regular audits, and no separation between personal and business funds. And also, there was no oversight on unusual payments or creditor obligations. So what are some tips for prevention or detection? Always separate duties. Have one person pay bills and another reconcile the accounts. Schedule regular internal or even external audits. Use software with alerts for large or unusual transactions. And periodically rotate employees handling sensitive financial tasks. Francine Fonger's decade-long embezzlement cost over $830,000 and stemmed from unchecked trust and poor internal controls. If they'd have stronger checks in place, this likely could have been stopped much sooner. If you want more real-life fraud stories and prevention tips, hit subscribe now.